Hi, today we're going to talk about how to wear the perfect nude lip. Now we all love a nude lip and it works beautifully with a smoky eye, but it can also look really good with a very minimal makeup. So if it's not worn properly, it doesn't suit everyone, it can look quite washed out. So I'm going to show you my little tips and tricks that really work for me, and I know they're going to work for you. So the first tip that I'm going to give you is you really need to wear a little bit of makeup. It doesn't have to be much, but you need to wear just minimal makeup, whether you're young or whether you're older. So in this case, I've actually worn a bit of foundation, I've got mascara on, and I've also, most importantly, I've added a little bit of blush, because the secret to a perfect nude lip is it's got to have contrast. And if I didn't wear anything on my face, I didn't have any blush, and it's only a little bit, you don't have to have very much, but just a little bit, I would look, in fact, very, very washed out. Because the thing is, even your lips naturally have a little bit of pigment, a little pink. So when that's washed out with a very nude shade, again, you will look quite washed out. So that's my very first tip. The other tip is that it does depend on skin tone. So most people, say, how do I choose the perfect nude? Well, I actually just go by what I like, but it does sort of go down to your skin tone, and we'll do that in another video. But again, the secret is contrast. So even if you're contouring, you could use the same color as your contour for your face. You could actually use that as a lip liner, but we're going to just simplify it all. And what I've done is I've actually selected a couple of lip liners. These are our lip liner lipsticks, and they are from my own range, but these sort of colors will work across any brand. So I have chosen a brown, a taupey brown sort of color. I don't know if you can see that. And also a beautiful dusty pink. So I'm going to explain how I would use these two, and it doesn't take a lot, to work with the different nudes that I've chosen. So I'm going to use the taupey brown color, and this can actually work across a few different lipsticks. So I'm going to show you, actually what I want to do is I want to show you first how washed out I can look without it. So I'm going to use our color Essence, and if you can just have a look at that kind of like very nude brownie sort of color. And I'm just applying it. Okay, see, I don't like it on my colouring just like that. I would definitely need to have a lip liner with that. So just have a look how this is going to change the look of it. And there we go. See how that's just given it just a little lift? It's still very nude, but it's just given that little lift. Now I'm going to show you that same lipstick, but with the pinky sort of outline. Outlined that, and I've still got the Essence, and I'm going to that's also given me a little bit of a different nude look. So it's entirely up to you which one you want to do, whether you want to use the brown or the pink lip liner. Personally, I really like this one. What do you think? So this is the shade we just used with both the taupe and the pink. And now I'm going to use this shade, so you can see that this is slightly brown. Okay, so I'm going to begin with the brown and outline lips. And then fill it in with this is called Awaken. And there you go. So this is a slightly deeper colour, nude colour, and it's called Chi. It's from our range as well, but again, if you've got a colour like this that you're not quite sure how to wear, this is a really good, it's almost like an everyday colour that I just have in my bag, and it works just beautifully for most. But again, I need to wear a lip liner with it. It's beautiful, goes on really lovely. It's actually a lot more natural than it looks there. And now I'm just going to line it just to show you it really does make a difference. And there you go, that's Chi. Now this colour here is like a peachy kind of peachy nude. And I really don't like this on myself at all without a lip liner. So when I wear a lip liner, it completely changes it. I often too combine this and Chi, and they look sensational together. But let me show you, let me show you how it looks like just without anything. It's really, really not me at all, but if I put the top lip liner over the top, it's really quite lovely. So that's our colour Courage. Now let me show you, if I wanted to, if you're looking at it and thinking, you know what, it just needs something else, just grab another colour, say Chi, and just add a little bit to the lips. And it just lifts it a little bit more. So the last two I'm going to show you, I'm going to use the pinky toned lip liner, and they are Truth, our new colour, and Love. So this is pink, this is a lovely pink, and again that's really cute, a really nice pink. But again, I feel like I need I need the lip liner to sort of just lift it a little bit. So here we go. And of course, I would apply this first. And there we go. Now this colour here has a little bit of the frost, and it is quite a nudie sort of pinky colour. It's called Love. But I really like to wear it with, again, the pink toned lip liner. If I wanted to really add a little bit of contrast, I would use the rose coloured, and I'd sort of blend it in, and that could be quite a beautiful colour as well. Maybe I'll do that at the very end. Anyway, let's apply Love. There you go. Now, before I share my top tip, I'd like to thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please go to our website and sign up for the email list, and share us with your friends and subscribe. Now, my top tip is, as you get a bit older, wearing a nude can, as you know, wash you out even more. So the top tip for that is to pop a lip gloss over the top. And any old lip gloss or lip balm, and I'm going to show you. I just use lip balm. That will instantly give you that beautiful look. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, light and love to you and yours.